normally wash my van on a Friday. Because I haven't been feeling 100%. So I'm going to do admin jobs. Make sure I got all stock in the van for all of next week and tomorrow. And myself being organised now. Anyway, I thought I'd video myself going through this car wash. I'll pause it now till we go in. Here we go again. Right, out the gear, handbrake off. Waiting for the tracks to pull me along now. I've been through before, so I know my mirrors don't clash. They get close, mind. Get very close. Cheapest watch is $350. It goes up for increments. We had 2 from the top on the tenner. There's £11 and a £12, but I didn't see the benefit of those. Here comes the roller out. There goes one little south here. All the slides. So it doesn't need any of my stickers off now. Wax Plus apparently now. I didn't go for the Pro Shield and I didn't go for the Ultra HD. Don't know what they are, mind, but for a 10 is enough to spend on a car wash. When you think of it, I wash the car every week. I work 5 days a week, so it's cost me £2 a day to keep my van clean. Should be an apprentice's job really to wash it. It's hard enough trying to get him to bloody keep the tools tidy. He's gonna have a row tomorrow because my van was like a tip today and he packed it yesterday. He won't have a big row, just gonna make sure he understands about the importance of keeping the van tidy. Because when it's tidy, everything's easy to find, you save time and it's more organised, isn't it? We're out and we're clean. Ciao for now.